This is TurboCloud's Items tab. We have added a Display Options button to TurboCloud's Tool strip. TurboCloud makes the ultimate flat-rate price book. It displays pictures, catalogs, spec sheets, catalog descriptions, specifications, etc. You can show your customers TurboCloud so that they can see what items and/or assemblies are available to be installed in their project. You can choose between the following display options. Regular View displays the manufacturer name, catalog number, TurboBid price, and labor unit. No material or labor displays the manufacturer name and catalog number. Flat Rate Pricing displays the manufacturer name, catalog number, and flat rate price. Click the Display Options button. Click the Regular View Radio button. This is the item's regular display option. Manufacturer name, catalog number, TurboBid price, and the labor unit are displayed. Click the Display Options button. Click the No Material or Labor Radio button. Click the OK button. This is the item's No Pricing or Labor display option. Manufacturer name and catalog number are displayed. Click the Display Options button. Click the Flat Rate Pricing Markup Radio button. Enter the percentage that you want to mark up the combined material cost, sales tax, pay rate, and burden rate. The job site employees selected in the open estimate will be used to calculate the flat rate price. Or you can choose to override the job site employees selected in the open estimate. This is the average cost per man-hour for the job site employees selected in the open estimate. Click the OK button. This is the item's flat rate markup display option. Manufacturer name, catalog number, and flat rate price are displayed. Click the Assemblies tab. Click the Display Options button. Click the Flat Rate Pricing Markup Radio button. Click the OK button. The flat rate price is displayed. Click the Display Options button. Click the No Material or Labor Radio button. Click the OK button. No material prices or labor units are displayed. Click the Display Options button. Click the Regular View Radio button. Click the OK button. Material cost and labor hours are displayed.